Hi everyone, Von Marie, and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Here are the products I will be using for my card today. Kitty Chasing Butterfly. We have this Mini Slimline die set here. My favorite Happy stamp set. Blue glitter and purple glitter. And we'll also be using an autumn glitter, I believe. But I went ahead and cut out my kitty and butterflies with white cardstock. You get two different size butterflies here. And then I'm going to be ink blending them with Lost Shadow Distress ink using pink glitter blending brushes. These are soft blending brushes from Cat Scrappiness, which are my favorite. And I just wanted to add a little bit of gray there. And I cut out my butterflies again with some blue glitter. And then I'm going to be using the purple glitter for my Mini Slimline background. So here is the light purple, which I love. And this is just a simple card, and it's a birthday card. So I love how it comes out. So I'm using the Happy Birthday from the Happy stamp set. And I will be stamping and embossing using my embossing tool from Cat Scrappiness. And I'm going to emboss with white embossing powder. And then I will be fussy cutting out the sentiments. And I'm using my bone folder here. Have you checked out Cat Scrappiness's tools and embellishments? They are wonderful. Here is a sentiment that I cut out. So the Happy Birthday. And then I didn't think you could see it. So I'm holding it up again. Okay, so... And then I went and fussy cut around it. Sometimes I like to do that. And so I'm going to use this brown for my ground. Maybe it's dirt. And they're outside, the kitty and the butterflies. And I just think it's a fun die set, this new die, Kitty Chasing Butterfly. And I just glued my background to a card base. And then I'm going to glue my brown glitter paper with liquid glue. I will be using liquid glue for everything, I believe, on this card. And then next I will add my kitty. This kitty would be great for any occasion, any color kitty. I was going to make it gray, but I like to do white because I did have a white kitty when I was younger. And then I will glue my butterflies and my sentiments. I love the blue glitter, isn't it pretty? And I love that glitter is mess-free. I've started using Cat Scrappiness's glitter paper. I had stopped using glitter just because it was so messy, and I just stopped using it. And now I can use glitter all the time. Now that Cat Scrappiness is getting all kinds of colors. And I even like the big Happy, so I could have just used the Happy. But I always need birthday cards. And this card is so easy to make. I should probably make some more just so I can have a bunch in my stash. And then I will be using some embellishments from Cat Scrappiness. And I will have the products in the product supply bar down below. And here is my embellishment tray, and this is actually a Halloween mix, but it does have some flowers. So I am just going to use the clay flowers from this mix. I love that there's always a variety in every pack, so you can use it all year round. And I believe I just use 3 of these flowers. And I always place my embellishments in odd numbers. And a great birthday card for someone who loves kitties and glitter paper. So probably a card for almost anybody. And I hope you enjoyed my card for today. It was really fun to make, and I hope you check out the new release from Cat Scrappiness. I will have the links down below. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.